Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video for a set of 4 Apple AirTags. Now, I ordered this at the end of April of 2021 and it's now the beginning of June. So, been waiting quite a long time for this because the AirTags, I happen to have one handy right now. So this is an AirTag and I bought this from an electronics shop in Hong Kong. It was about 279 Hong Kong dollars for this one, and it has a Belkin holder for a keychain. And this was something that I got in May. The reason why I got this really fast was because it's not engraved, so these you can get in any shop, but if you want to have them personalized and engraved, you've got to place an order. Right, so let's get into this. Right, so we might need the box cutter. I also pre-ordered some of these holders. So these are Belkin secure holders with straps and key rings. So that's a blue one, it's a pink one, and we also have, this is the official, I got this one today actually from the shop. This is the from the Apple store, more like. This is the Apple AirTag leather key ring, a blue color. These were 98 Hong Kong dollars each, and this one was 279 Hong Kong dollars. Because it's leather, it does cost a bit more money. Okay. Right, and again, this is an example of the Belkin keychain. This is a black color, and this is the pink equivalent, so you can see that. And it works quite well. I'm talking about the AirTag. Okay. Oh yes, and I happen to have a black one with a strap. Okay, which is kind of identical to this. So, admittedly, I did unbox this a while ago, but I did not make a video. Alright, should we get into the nitty-gritty? Alright, so let's put these aside just for the moment, and let's get into this box. Alright, let's get the box cutter, and let's open this thing. Alright, let's have a look. Ooh, AirTag. A pack of 4, or a 4-pack to be more specific. So let's just unravel this. Let's put that aside. And, oh, excuse me, and what have we got? So this is what we get. We've got AirTag 4-pack. And that's how it looks, but let's see how it looks inside. So let's open this thing. How do we open it from here? Hang on. I'm never good with opening these things. It's not like I'm going to reuse the box anyways. Oh, there we go. Right, sorry. My bad. Wasn't looking. Supposed to peel this thing off. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so what have we got? We've got... Let's put that aside. What have we got? Got some instructions... Different languages, I'm assuming. Yeah, these are all instructions in different languages. Compliance information. Apple 1-year warranty. It's very small wording. Alright, let's take a look and see what we've got. Oh, these are the AirTags, 4 of them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's got AirTag on the other side. Let's take the AirTags out. So these are customized AirTags. I've actually made 3 for myself and 1 for my wife, not including the one that's already on the keychain, of course, because that is not engraved. Because apparently the engraving technology has delayed... This is a worldwide thing, not just a Hong Kong thing. The engraving has... Ooh, look at that. That is so cool. Look at that. Let's just get the focus in there. Look, there's a P&G AirTag. Okay, got P&G AirTag. Right, if you take a look at that, you can see. Sorry, I'm kind of losing the focus. And this is a PCM AirTag. And this is a PCM number 1 AirTag. I've put these numbers on the side. So to uniquely identify them. And this is a PCM number 2, and that must be a PCM number 3. What was I saying before? So what I was saying before, I'm going to take the wrapping off while I talk. So what's the deal is, because if you choose to have your AirTags customized and engraved and so forth, oh yes, you've got to pull the you choose to have these engraved, it does take time. It adds to the delivery time. So you've got to really think, if you really want these urgently, do you want to engrave them? I mean, I'm quite happy to do so, so that's fine. Okay, and by the way, I've got my iPhone here, so we'll get to these in just a moment. Let me just, you can see, once I pull out the little bit at the bottom, there's a piece on the bottom of the AirTag which you're supposed to pull out, and it activates the AirTag. So I've just pulled out the P and G one, which is this one. Okay, so if we take a look at the phone, let's have a look. So all I have to do is press the connect button at the bottom, and it says give your AirTag a name. Okay, I might use this for my wallet actually. Okay, it says register the AirTag to your Apple ID and so forth. Yep, that's fine. So that's just coming along. So it will set up. Yeah, and it makes these little sounds and things. So view and find my app. So this AirTag is now in the Find My iPhone app, or just the Find My app as it's called. And it's really cool. So let's say if there's your AirTag, and you press the Find button, and it's going to search for that AirTag wherever it happens to be in the city, if not the entire world. And it says the AirTag is here. But if I drop the AirTag down there, right, it's going to say 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, and then it says here, like that. Right, and if I take the AirTag and I put it up on the shelf, I know you can't see this, right, it actually will measure the proximity. Okay, it's about 1 meter away, and if it's really far away, you'll see an arrow. But if the signal is really weak, it will actually tell you that the signal's weak, and you have to move around until you get a good signal. So right now it's not, now it's a bit better. Okay, so if I just grab the AirTag, there it is. Yep, and your phone actually vibrates once you get this in proximity with the phone. It starts to vibrate on your hand. Okay, so sorry, let me just get this back. Okay, now just wanted to quickly show you that. Now let's have a look at the actual AirTags, well, the engraving anyways. So this is PCM1. So I'm just trying to get the light a little better. So let's get the light back. Right, so if you take a look at this one, you can see got some lettering, and we have a number 1 in a grey circle. And all you have to do is just remove the wrapping, protective cover. Okay. Just right, just remove all that. It's silver on the back, and there's an arrow at the bottom, and you literally pull it, and that activates the AirTag, and it plays a little sound. I apologize if the video gets out of focus a few times, because there's so much white and stuff. So, right. Okay, you can see that, and I have my iPhone in this shot also, so I can set up another AirTag. So let's press connect, and this one could be for my keys. Okay, I'll just put that down for a sec. Right, so it's going to set that up. Okay, it's going to say, all right, view and find my app, and I know that's going to be on the Find My. Okay. All right, I'm going to put that aside just for now, and let's go set up the others. So we'll take this one. It says PCM2. Sorry if the contrast is pretty high, so let's just... Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. You've got to peel it from there. I'm peeling it wrong. I'm so sorry. Okay, and then literally watch. You pull this out. Right, it does make a very little sound, and then the phone will start to detect the AirTag. Okay, so similarly, it's very similar to, say, using the AirPods. Very similar. Okay, we connect this, and what could this be for? I mean, this could be for a bag. So this could be for a bag. So I just type in BAG. Choose an emoji. We'll use a rabbit. Okay, and then just press continue. And now it's going to register this. Sorry, it's very dark. Okay, and there we go. Okay, you can see we've got bag, Paul's keys, Paul's wallet, and PCM keys. And PCM keys is actually this one without the engraving. Okay. Just put that there anyways. Okay, and we do have another one which is PCM number 3. So let's get the brightness back. So peel this off, start from there, and then go all the way around. And again, all you have to do is 3, 2, 1, just pull. Okay, and then it automatically will detect on your phone. Okay, there we go. Okay, and just press connect. Right, so what could this be? We'll say this could be for, we'll say luggage. I might change it later, so. Okay, we register that with our Apple ID. I can go back later and change the names or change the emojis and so forth. So that's fine. Okay, so there we go. And if you lose this, you can play a sound. So look, there's my little guy. And this little guy will start playing a sound. So it's actually playing a sound. A bit like one of those old beepers from the past. Or like when you lose your iPhone and you can use your Apple Watch to page your phone. So you can page these. It's got little speakers on them somewhere. Don't know where they are, but they are there. Okay. Right, so we've registered all of these tags. So now the next thing we want to do is maybe let's try and get one of these into a keyring. Okay, so what I think I'll do is I'll open this just to show you what's inside the box at first. So let's just open this. We're going to open 2 of these boxes. Okay, so this is the 98 Hong Kong dollar Belkin secure holder with a strap. So let's take it out. So this is how it looks. Okay, so we'll put that box aside. And got some little instructions and things on the back. And there it is. So you've got yourself a little holder for your AirTag. And you also have the strap right here. Okay, you could take this out. So I can just remove that. Okay, so we've got the strap and we have the holder. Just like that. Just take it out. Okay, you've got a piece here and you've got another piece there. Got that. But I want to use the black one, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to use the other one. So let's put that aside also. So we're going to take this one. And okay, and then what we do, I'm just going to toss that down there. And hold on just a moment. Right, now got the Belkin logo up there. So now I would like to take PCM. We'll take PCM 1. Okay, we'll take this one. And then we'll put that into here. So what we do. Okay, first we open this up and put it that way. Have the silver bit facing that way. Okay, and then want to put this like that. Or we could do it like that and then put that on the top. And then all you have to do is just Do that, and then clip it like that. See? Now it's in. And even better, at least compared with the key, they look very similar, except this one has an engraving and this one hasn't. So it's very cool. Now, we could just rotate it slightly so it's aligned like that, and then all you have to do is simply just get your strap, or whatever, and then just loop it through. Yep. And there we go. That's it. Okay, that's the first one. All right, let's do another one. I know we do have the pink one. The pink one's very similar to this one, except this has the ring and this has the strap. So I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to save this for another time, a little bit later. Let's have a look at the AirTag keyring, leather keyring from Apple. So this one, this is the expensive one. So why don't we just leave that there? Just put that there. Let's put that aside also. Let's take this out. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's take this out. Right, slide it out. Let's see what's inside. There's a bit. No, that's. Oh wait, there's a bits of paper. Ah, yes, very nice. Ooh, that's good. That's really nice. So there it is. That's the leather holder. Okay. All right, let's put that aside. Okay, how do we do this? So we have to. Oh yes, so you just open it like that. Just remove this bit. Then you get your. Okay, let's pick one. We'll pick PCM2, and just you could just put it in like that, I guess. Is that how you do it? Just put it in like that, yeah, and then just. Oh, that was easy. This is actually a lot easier than that one. This one can be quite hard to take out because you've got to slide it, but this one, very simple, very straightforward. Just do that and that. Brilliant. Oh, that's great. So there we go. So we've got this one, and I'll do these two another time. And we also have the one on with the keys. Right, so there we have it, you guys. These are the 4 custom engraved AirTags. I do think it's worth the wait. As long as you don't lose anything while you're waiting. Okay. All right, I'm going to have to end the video there, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care, and goodbye.